Thanks for watching. We appreciate you. Please subscribe.
Thank you for joining us tonight. I'm Daniela Guzman.
And I'm Lisa Hernandez. Keith is off. That breaking news tonight, a Houston police officer expected in court any minute now after investigators say he shot his wife in the face this morning.
31-year-old Caleb Chowdhury, who spent 2 years on the force, arrested just after midnight this morning. Devin Clark outside the Harris County Jail with those details from the chief of police.
He was once sworn to protect and serve, and now he's finding himself on the other side of the law, behind bars in the Harris County Jail.
Once you put that patch on and that badge on, you're a police officer. And I expect you to conduct yourself all times as a police officer.
When Houston police got to this apartment complex on Clay Road in Gessner for a shooting call, they learned the suspect was one of their own, 31-year-old off-duty officer Ghalib Wahid Chowdhury.
And it's never easy to stand before you. Domestic violence is very serious.
Chowdhury, who was sworn in as an officer in March of 2021, is now relieved of duty, pending an investigation where officials allege he shot his 30-year-old wife in the face and hand with a rifle.
She underwent surgery, and hopefully, and we pray that she's going to be all right and make a full recovery.
In the meantime, officials with the Victim Services Division are offering advice for anyone in an abusive relationship.
Please know that if you're in immediate danger, you need to call 911. Secondly, if you're in the city of Houston and you're aware of someone who may be involved in a domestic violence situation, or you see something, please say something.
It's unclear if Chowdhury has a history of domestic abuse, but right now he's charged with aggravated assault of a family member with serious bodily injury. He's due in probable cause court right now. Reporting outside of the Harris County Jail in probable cause court, Devin Clark, KPRC 2 News.
Thanks for watching. We appreciate you. Please subscribe.